Worst case scenario, if you passed out or something,
then what would you do?
Okay, so that's the altimeter. That tells us how high we are.
Okay.
That's our airspeed indicator. Tells us how fast we're going. So 40 knots, 60 knots, 80 knots, 100 knots. That's the rev counter while you go in your car. And all the other stuff is just like navigational stuff that we won't be using today because we've got a GPS.
I see.
Enough?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give the guy in the control tower a shout over there. And then he's going to give us the details of how to get out of here. And then when we're in the air, we're going to give Southend a call. And they'll be able to monitor us on their radar system so they'll know where we are all the time.
Okay, cool.
We're going to do that. Try not to touch the controls while we're manoeuvring around. I'll let you have a go in a bit there once we get up there.
Cool.
So if you just keep your hands away from it and your feet away from the rudders and things.
Cool, yeah.
Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra Northwood, good afternoon, pass message. Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, section 172, we're outside the squadron, 2 POD, requested airfield information for a local to the east. Fox Sierra, roger, readability 5, runway news 02, left hand circuit, QNH 1011. Can you just confirm what time you're going home tonight? 18:49.
65 knots, and then we're going to pull it into the air.
How do you actually pull it in the air?
Back on the stick.
Go back on the stick, and what does that control?
The elevators at the back.
Oh, I see.
Okay. Alright, we're going to go. There we go, 55 knots. Rotate. In the air. So we're going to keep it at 65 knots until we get to about 500-600 feet, and then we're going to make a right turn to the east. The flaps, you might feel it sink slightly, but it's nothing to worry about. Now we've got Stansted just over here.
Okay.
And because of Stansted and all the jets coming out, we've got to remain below 1,500 feet until we're out of the way of Stansted.
Yeah.
We'll be able to see Canary Wharf over there, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Clear my approach runway 24, surface wind 310 degrees.
We're on the south end of the frequency now, so I might get a bit busy.
Clear approach and we'll all going around circle 02.
Tell you what, just give me a moment, I'm just going to speak to them.
Yeah, sure.
November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra. Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, something radar, good afternoon, squawk 4575, pass your message. 44575, Golf November Whiskey Foxtrot Sierra, Cessna 172, North Wales to North Wales, we're just going by Langdon and then up to Abbotsford Reservoir, 2 POB, currently 2,000 feet on 1011, basic service. Foxtrot Sierra, basic service, thank you, NH101.
Like, even flying to Netherlands, it's not
Not far, no. I mean, on a good day, in fact, you could probably... No, not right now, but on a good day you can see France. We're just slowly descending. And we're going to turn onto what we call the base leg, so this is a right angle with the runway. We're going to go back over the M11.
Oh, the motorway as well to Badger.
Yep. Half flaps. Then, can you see the runway ahead of us?
Oh, yep.
Final 02, Golf Foxtrot Sierra. 270, less than 5.
Watch people. Don't lost your feet. Hey.
Silverwood Radio, Golf in Oscar Mike November, inbound. In Oscar Mike November 5, runway 02 left hand, QC 999 hectopascals. 02 left hand and 999 for the QFE, Golf Mike November. I know, just 2 miles west of Beam, Harlow at the time.
Bit of a bounce you on.
Wow. That was brilliant. Oh man, I've really enjoyed it, Tom.
That good, yeah?
Yeah, no, thanks mate.
Oh, you're welcome.